Hey guys, it's Andre here, and it's pretty much late right now and everything, and I decided to make pretty much blog this late and all. Like I mentioned before, a lot of my ideas usually come from um from staying up late at night and all. I usually got in the habit of doing this because of doing homework and work and staying up late working. So and dealing with code and other shit. But what I want to talk about is it's the internet. Okay. Now, one thing I want to talk about is pretty much everything that's out there. The whole entirety of the internet. Now, it has grown a lot um, since it was first it first started and all, and of course, it wasn't even called the internet back then. But as it evolved and as it grew and everything, a lot of things came alive. During the 90s, there wasn't any social media or anything. There's a lot of messengers and other crap and everything and awkward stuff. There were like a lot of trends and stuff and a lot of new things has how came to life um, throughout the course of time. The more the more the more programming language evolved and web design and all that, the more interesting stuff that came out, the more innovations that came out. One of those innovations is Google, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, or all those things have come to life. It's come to life in a sense that it's very interactive between people and pretty much do things that people that lived back in the 70s or 80s could have possibly never even dream of. But along with like um, like my father has told me once that along with everything good comes its negative side effect. Just like medicines have negative side effects, every single progress has their side effects and all. And one of these things is that it, of course, everything you think you know that we think is the entirety of the internet, that a lot of people is only a small fraction of what the entire internet is. Only like roughly like 1 or 2% of the internet is yeah it's just everything we conceptualize about it. But the rest of it is a deeper structure of networks, um, commonly known as the deep web or the dark net or whatever name that's given and all. And of course, supposed rumors that there's an even deeper version called Mariana Net, which a lot of people speculate a variety of different things. Some claim that it has gotten very it's a network that's gotten very advanced at their AI entities and stuff like that, or secret projects or anything. But it's just pure speculation at this point. But if you look around, you'll find a bunch of claims and other weird stuff. But the thing is that you all within these boundaries and within what we know as the internet, the dark net, or deep web, or whatever you like to call it, or all these other occult network structures, there's a variety of abandoned websites, and there's also very bizarre ones and creepy. This and the thing is, it comes to show the kind of like the fragmented mentally fragmented people that reside within the internet. Not it, and one thing I want to say, not everyone is sound of mind. There are pretty deranged people out there, and there's even rumors. You don't have to go this far. Um, there's if you watch some of the YouTube videos that talk about like weird YouTube channels, there's even some claims that some are stalkers, criminals, and other people that are mentally deranged now. But the thing is, how does this happen? How exactly do these people do you come across people like that? And the answer is that they're pretty much everywhere. A lot of the time they might be there, and you may not even notice it. Uh, notice these people around because not everyone you can't a lot of the times people that are like mentally deranged you can't tell them apart from anything else from the rest of people and all. And that being the case, that it, they just pretty much live. We pretty much live among them, and we don't even notice them or anything. Now, I would show you some pretty bizarre things that I have found on the internet, but right now I'm not. Uh, it's kind of late, and the thing is that one of the troubles that I always run into is the hassle of editing and stuff and all that. And the way I am is that when I make my videos, I usually measure the time and all. It's just the same as what I do with with my job. Is I ask myself if what I'm gonna do is time effective and all, is like cost effective and all. And I'm not. And usually when it comes to editing, I'm not gonna just edit a video that's gonna consume a lot of my time. Just um, and even get in the way of work just to upload a video that might get like a couple of views and all. I like to do things like fast, really expedited and stuff like upload my videos fast. Now, don't get me wrong. I probably will upload much higher quality videos than what I've been uploading recently and all. But when it gets one thing I'm not a fan of is when it gets in the way of work, study, school, homework, and all that. But anyway, here's one little aspect that you might want to check out when it comes to weird stuff on the internet. And let's not go that far. If you if right now you go into the search bar and you type in WebDriver torso, you'll see some a kind of like a really strange um, kind of like a really strange YouTube channel. Of course, the one of the things I heard that it's Google testing out the quality, but personally, I don't buy it because this is a YouTuber that's been uploading videos constantly. Like they're not that long, but they've been uploading them for since when? Like probably 2006 and all. So it's kind of weird. It might be a bot or something, but I'm not really sure. But anyway, I'll cover more on this topic tomorrow when I have more time, and I'll probably do more decent presentations and stuff like that. I'm gonna be uploading more presentable videos and stuff. But anyway, that's all for now. Okay, and I'll catch you guys next time. Please like and subscribe, and see you later. Peace out.